We're back on the work site, and today is our wrap-up day because the project, the renovations are almost done, and this is the stairs that which I think we showed them before, Paul, as to how dirty and haggard and tired it was looking, and we have stripped it down, and then we have stained it, sealer it, and put on a stain. And this is before varnishing, so we're going to varnish it later today and leave it for a day or so before we come back and walk on it. The varnish is very important step. Even though it looks so great right now and you're going to say why do anything else to it, the varnish is very important, as Paul said, to protect it so nothing sticks to it and you can wipe it off easily any soil it gets. So our drapes are back in, washed. They are washed and repaired. And so I should do the drapes one by itself.